The Tech Fixr will show you how to make an undeletable file or folder in your Windows 10 computer. So if you have a folder with very important files, you can easily make the file secure so no one will be able to delete the folder. So first of all, select the folder and right click on it. Click on Properties. Select the Security tab. To change permission, click on Edit. And here you will find group or user's name. Now select the first one. And here make sure to check all of these boxes. Then select the second one. Select all boxes here. That's how you have to select all of these user and group and select all of these options. Then click on Apply. Yes. Okay. Okay. And now if I try to delete this folder, as you can see, the folder is not deleting. So this is how we can create an undeletable folder on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the Tech Fixr. See you in the next video.